So it is oil change time for our 8Y Audi RS3. I did the first oil change around 1,800 miles at 6 months just to make sure any break-in oil was out and the car was just in tip-top shape. Now that it's actually coming time for the car to tell us maintenance due, we're over 4,000 miles, I figured early spring is the perfect time to just keep all my cars in check with their oil change. The Lambo, I'll be doing that in the next couple of weeks, and it is time now to do the oil change on the RS3. Now, with that said, we have something super exciting with this. First off, I ordered all my oil from ECS Tuning. Now, we have a lot of ECS Tuning parts on the RS3. I ordered my mid pipes from them. I got their front lip, the rear diffuser. I've tested out one of their air intakes. I've got all their sway bar end links as well. So with that said, not only can you order performance parts from ECS Tuning, you can order maintenance things. Now with the Lambo, with this, with other cars my brother and I own, it's really nice to be able to go to one website and just order everything. And for the RS3 this time around, I'm actually using genuine oil. So this again isn't from the Audi dealer. This is from ECS's website. Genuine Audi oil, exactly what the manufacturer recommends for this car. You can also order the Audi brand oil filter. I went with this brand. This seems to be obviously a really good aftermarket version. So with that said, the cool thing is ECS Tuning is giving away an Audi RS3. For every dollar you spend, you are entered in to win an Audi RS3. All that information is going to be linked in the description below, along with all the other details about how you are able to win. Certain brand items on ECS's website are worth different points. So even for me, you know, with the money I spent on the oil change for the RS3, for the Lambo, all from ECS's website, maybe I could even win this Audi RS3. This RS3 they have has a ton of mods in it, as well as $10,000 cash. So this is an insane giveaway that ECS Tuning is doing, and obviously they have developed parts for this car, so they know what they're doing. So anyways, that is really exciting to not only get the maintenance out of the way for the RS3, but also help you guys out and let you know that you can click any of the links down below for this exact oil change kit. Go to the website, any money you spend with them, you are entered in to win your very own 8Y RS3. This thing's a beast of a car, and that is pretty exciting that one of you guys is gonna be able to win one. And with the car up on the jack stands, we're gonna be using a T45 along with a T25 to start working on removing the under tray. So with the under tray off, we're gonna use a T45. And we'll try not to make too much of a mess as we get this bolt out. All right.
It was at this moment that he knew.
And while that's draining, we're just gonna go ahead, pop the top off, let some air pressure out of there so it flows a little bit quicker as we get it all out. So that's wrapping up draining. Next up, we're gonna look at the oil filter, which is right up here. And then we're just gonna unscrew this bottom part. Then you can take this tool right here. I'll have this linked as well. This kind of helps you drain the actual oil filter into that oil pan. And as I tighten it, you should start seeing some oil coming out of this hose. There we go. And then let gravity do its thing, and we're gonna drain the oil filter very easily. And with everything drained out of there, you can see how we have a low spot. That means we are done with the oil filter, so we can just undo this one and take this back off. Then I'm gonna use a 74mm oil filter wrench, and we can get this off. Moving on to the oil filter now, we have a canister style, and you can just wiggle it a little bit, and it's gonna pop nicely out. We will dispose of that, and then there is gonna be a rubber O-ring on the inside. We can pull that out, and then the new oil filter is gonna come with a new O-ring, so we're just gonna gently slide that into place, and then the new oil filter, pretty straightforward. We can just slide it in place and reinstall. And then we'll just snake this up through this one hose with the new filter. On to filling up the RS3 with the oil. Once again, this is the genuine Audi oil 0W30 full synthetic. Obviously, this car takes 7.5 quarts. That's what I took out last time, and that's what I put in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in 7.5 quarts, and we will get this thing filled up. We'll take the cap off. I already popped off the engine cover, and in no time, we're gonna be about done. And with the oil all filled up, we got 4,153 miles. Let's fire it up, see if it still pops up with the service due. All right, oil change 7 days, I believe. We go under vehicle and settings and service. Let's see, service intervals. So yeah, it's telling me the next oil change is due then. We're gonna reset that. Yes, we are ready to do that. Oil change has been reset, okay. And I think that's the only thing I need to do now. If I shut it off, sweet. It does not tell me anymore, so we got that all reset. And unfortunately, when you change the oil with insane winds, unfortunately, that is a mess I gotta clean up. And look at that, you can see the oil coming right out of concrete already. And this is also the more reason to epoxy your garage floor. That is the beauty of epoxy. Give it a little bit of wipe, just a little bit of soap on there, and then just clean it off. And it's like it never even happened. Okay, so some more information about the giveaway ECS Tuning is doing while we let the oils and everything warm up and do a nice little test drive in the RS3. So you have until May 31st. Basically, any dollar you spend on their website is going to count towards an entry to win their RS3. So when the 8Y came out, they bought one and basically used it as their R&D car to build custom parts for this car. So really cool to see 20 grand worth of mods that they have on that car. It's decked out with a sick wrap as well. And if our car with just a couple basic bolt-ons and the lip looks super awesome and is an absolute blast, I can't imagine 20 grand worth of mods, how insane the RS3 they have is. Along with that, 10 grand cash to help you with like sales tax and things like that. But that is super cool. I'll have it linked down below. Certain brands you can get up to 10 times entry, 5 times entry, 2 times entry, basic things, at least 1 time entry. So with this oil change, I spent less than $100 for the quarts of oil along with my oil filter. So this car honestly is really not hard to maintain, keep on the road. A lot of people have commented on a lot of our European car videos, especially the RS3, thinking this thing costs an arm and a leg to maintain. Less than $100, do the oil change yourself, takes less than an hour to do. So easy project to do on a weekend, no big deal. And that is the only maintenance I have done on this car. I've done 2 oil changes now, just over 4,000 miles. Car hasn't skipped a beat, and it runs and drives exactly the way you would want. I guess while we're on the topic of that, costs to run this car, insurance, we insure this car, it is $1,300 per year to insure this car. That is full coverage. Insurance, pretty cheap in North Carolina, quite honestly. Take the highest deductible, pay in full, and have a clean driving record for 16 years, and you're pretty good to go for insurance. And then registration, we just updated our registration and property tax for this car. So I got the 2026 sticker on the license plate. This car was a little over $700 to pay that property tax bill. They basically go off of the tax value, and I think this booked out as a $55,000 tax value. Every year it's probably gonna go down by 10 grand. Doesn't mean we can't still sell this for obviously good money. This is still worth around 60 to 65 grand given the low mileage, but tax value, they just go with the lowest bottom dollar they can find just so nobody's mad. You know, if you had this car and they valued it at 80 grand, you're not gonna pay taxes on 80 grand when the car obviously isn't worth that much. So cheap and easy to maintain. I have not had to change the tires. They're still in good shape. I did the alignment after doing the lowering springs, and everything is wearing quite nicely. So temperatures are slowly getting there. Still shows blue on that diagram, but we'll go ahead and pop it into individual mode. A little acceleration here in that 5-cylinder roar. But definitely check out the links down below for ECS. Anything you buy, whether it's just basic maintenance for your car, or if you're looking to modify your car and do some cool upgrades, you're gonna get entered to win their RS3. And at least with my entries now, this and the Lambo oil change was about 150 bucks or so. I have a good 250 entries to win. There's probably a ton of people obviously taking advantage of this. It goes till the end of May, but that would be cool if I won my own RS3 so I don't have to steal my wife's. But nonetheless, super cool giveaway for them to be doing. We've done a lot with ECS over the last year or so, and they're always really cool to work with. But there is the second oil change for the RS3. At this point, I am going to wait until a year from now to do the next oil. On all of my cars, I do once a year or every 5,000 miles, whatever comes first. Obviously, we own 3 cars and we always have a weekly press car. So we're not daily commuting, racking up miles like most people. My wife works from home. I'm driving press cars a lot and driving the 3 cars quite a lot as well. I will say that whenever I steal my wife's car, this thing is a riot. It took us a little bit to kind of grow into liking this, but ever since this year, January 1st, I took all 3 cars out just for a fun rip, and I started pushing this car more than I ever have, not trying to make videos, just driving it, and I'm starting to love this car. It is an absolute powerhouse. But anyways, with our oil change schedules, now I'll wait a year to change the oil. I'm assuming we're probably gonna be around 7,000 miles next year when it's time to do an oil change on this. Funny enough, I drove more miles on the Lamborghini in the last year than we did on this. In the last year, we put maybe 3,600 miles on this car. I put over 5,000 on the Lambo. So I've been driving that a lot. This car kind of sits day to day and is really just available for my wife when needed. But anyways, there you guys go, doing the oil change on the RS3. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Kind of a combination video, a quick maintenance update on this car, cost update on this car, and shouting out the awesome giveaway for another Audi RS3. I think it's time to do more mods on this to catch up to the one they're giving away. Because like I said, this thing nearly stock with just the bolt-ons is an absolute riot. That is it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for plenty more content to come, and I'll see you all in the next video.